Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I've got a kind of a question that I think happens to a lot of us at times. My sister is allergic to a lot of different laundry soaps. And when she doesn't want something or doesn't work for her, she gives it to me. So she bought a brand like called Swivel or something like that, and it looked just like the Downy fabric softener. So what my husband was doing, he was doubling the laundry soap by accident. He'd put like this laundry soap in and then the other laundry soap thinking it was a softener. So my question to you is what happens to you and what do you do if you automatically put too much soap in your wash and you don't know it and you wash like maybe 10 loads of laundry? The reason I say that is what we do at my house is Clay washes it and puts it in the dryer, and then I take it out and fold it. It just works for us on laundry day. It just makes it easy. But he was doing that for a few weeks and we didn't know it. So um, I'm just curious if there's anything that you do. A lot of times as that happens, I just rewash it in just water. But I just want to see what your thoughts were, if that ever happened to you, if you have any funny stories about that happening to you. Um, so far, I guess my sister told me, this is what she said. She goes, what to do now is the next few loads of laundry I do, she said, just do the rinse then. That's what my other sister said. She said, after, like, if I wear something and then do the laundry, just like put half as much soap in, is what she said. Put half as much soap in, and then that should work it out. So, anyway, let me know your thoughts on that. We usually make our own laundry soap, and actually, it usually lasts forever. I have the recipe. I need to post it for you guys so you can see what it is. I had it on an old video, but I couldn't find it. Um, but we make our own laundry soap, and it's not boiling or anything like that. It's just four ingredients dumped together, and we've been using it for years, and it works really good. But like I said, if my sister gives me laundry soap, I just use it until it's gone. But anyway, and when I have this done in here for special items, like I don't know if my husband took them out, my sneakers. So I decided to wash these sneakers just because I'm gonna use them for a craft. If you want to know the truth, because they're getting bad, and I just had an idea. So, okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.